Okay, we are going to talk about separating objects into equal groups. Yesterday, the baseball and the football problem, some of us were kind of wondering about that when we had to do equal groups. So let's go ahead and learn a little bit about this today.
These oranges are in one group. How many oranges do you see in this group? There are 6 oranges in this group. Jada wants to put the 6 oranges into 2 equal groups. What does equal groups mean?
What does equal groups mean? Say it again. Yeah.
Equal groups means that there are the same number in each group. Jada has drawn 1 orange in the top group and 1 orange in the bottom group. Why are 2 oranges crossed out?
Why are 2 oranges crossed out? Ethan. Okay, so they know that they put 1 of each in the boxes there, yeah?
2 oranges are crossed out to show they have been put into one of the groups. Jada puts the next orange in the top group. Then she puts 1 in the bottom group. Then she puts another 1 in the top group and another 1 in the bottom group until all the oranges are crossed out. Why does she put the oranges in groups 1 at a time like this? Jada puts the oranges in groups 1 at a time to make sure each group is getting the same number.
All right, let's try it. All right, we're gonna
Drag the point along the line to see how Jada puts the oranges into 2 equal groups.
Okay, so we'll go like, hopefully it works. It goes too fast, always, right? Okay, so the first one, she put 1 in one group, she put an X on it, and then she went to the next group. Okay, and then she put another one at the top group. And then she put another one at the bottom group. And one at the top group. And then 1 at the bottom group. So she does 1, then 1, then 1, then 1, then 1, then 1. That way she knows that if they're equal groups or not.
How many oranges are in the top group?
3.
There are 3 oranges in the top group. How many oranges are in the bottom group?
3.
There are 3 oranges in the bottom group. Are these equal groups?
Yes, they are.
Yes, there is the same number in each group.
Good job.
Okay, name on your paper. Make sure that name's on there. All right, here we go. Now, once again, we're going to have to look up at the board because you have a copy of this. Some friends do. Most of our friends do. And we need to look at the colors, so we're going to have to do these together. So let's listen.
Jada has these crayons. She puts the blue crayons in one group. She puts the red crayons in another group. Does each group have the same number of crayons? How do you know? Use cubes to show your work.
Okay, so we're going to use cubes. I know you have cubes, but we're just going to draw cubes in the box for each time we see a red or a blue, right? So we're going to put the blue crayons in one group, and we're going to put the red crayons in another group. So just with your pencil. So we're going to do blue on the top. So we cross out one blue and put one up here, right? We know we put one up there. Then we need to do a red down here. Okay. Then we have another blue here. We cross it out. We put it up here. We know that's here. Here's a red one. We know red was going down at the bottom here. Next to it's a blue. Put blue up here. There's another red. Another red. Another blue. And another red. Okay. Does each group have the same number of crayons? No, they do not. How do you know? Who can raise their hand and tell me how you know? Nina.
One doesn't have one more. One has one more than the other.
Right. The blue crayons are only 4 blue crayons. And we look here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 blue, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red. So no, right? No, it does not have equal groups.
Can you write this?
You can write now, sure. You know how to write now.
I know.
You know. I know too.
You said no.
I know.
But you just said it again.
I know.
You didn't stop saying it.
All right, turn to the next page. Do you see the video again? Ben. Here you go.
Cool.
Yes, we're doing it. You're not ready yet? Okay, go ahead and finish up then. You have what? Okay, well, you got, okay, next time stay with us, is everybody? All right, put one here. All right, here we go. All right, you see the video again? They make equal groups with oranges. Let's look down at number 1 for the pairs. Put the pairs into 2 equal groups. Draw pictures in the boxes to show the groups and then write how many. So here, we can do this by crossing one out, putting one here. Crossing one out, putting one here. Crossing one out, putting one here. Taking that one, putting it there. So then how many do we have in the top group? 2. How many do we have in the bottom group? 2. 2 and 2, right? Alright. Easy peasy, 2 and 2 can make 4. There were 4 altogether. Those were equal groups, right? 2 and 2? 2 and 2, yes. Alright, let's look at the banana. Put the banana into 2 equal groups and draw a picture in the box to show the groups and then write how many are in that group. Alright, we're just going to draw like counters or circles for each banana. Okay, so here's one banana. We're going to draw a circle up here. Here's another banana. We're going to draw a circle down here.
That includes you, show.
How many are in the top group?
1.
1. How many are in the bottom group? 1. Is that equal group?
Yes.
Yes.
1 plus 1
This one is 2, so there were 2 bananas. Yes. Okay, look down at the next one.
We knew it was 2 because it's so little.
Alright, just by looking at this, do you think you can make equal groups?
No.
Well, let's see. Let's try it. These look like apples, so let's put one in the top group, one in the bottom group, one in the top group, one in the bottom group. Top group, bottom group, top group, bottom group. Now look. Oh. Now, are there equal groups? Yeah, just by looking at that, they were kind of all over, so you weren't sure, so you had to put them. 1 to 1 to C. And then write how many in each group. How many? 4 in the top, 4 in the bottom. 4 plus 4 equals 8. So there are 8 apples there. Go for it. If you're done, go ahead and put them back, and I know you'll be ready. It's a quick one today. Which is good because we have to do homework today too, because it's Friday. Okay. Raise your hand if you need more time. Need more time? No. Okay, we're going on. Okay. To the back. Now, this you're going to do on your own, so listen to the directions. You're going to put the milk cartons into 2 equal groups. Draw circles in the boxes to show the groups or counters in the boxes, and write how many are in each group. Then you're going to stop, because we're going to look at the last one. So go ahead and do the milk cartons first. Go ahead and do the milk cartons first. Remember, put 1 in the top group, 1 in the bottom group, 1 in the top group, 1 in the bottom group. Don't forget to write how many are in each group when you're done putting the circles in the boxes. Okay, very good. Okay, now let's look down at number 5. How many groups are we going to make this time? 3 groups. So, you're going to put the sandwiches into 3 equal groups. You're going to draw circles in each box for each sandwich, right? 1 to 1. And write how many. So you're going to do the same thing, except you're going to just make sure you go to the last box here. So you're going to put 1 in the top box, 1 in the middle box, 1 in the bottom box, and then you're going to go back up to the top and go through them. And then you're going to write how many were in each group. See if you can make 3 equal groups. Then we're going to do the homework together. So I'm going to pass out the homework paper. And okay. Alright, here's the homework. Once you're done with that, make sure you write the numbers. Was that last one in equal groups? Yeah, so you can break them into one color in equal groups. Okay, let's go ahead and do the homework. What's your name on top? And then look up here. What? We're good? Okay. Oops. Okay. Alright. A few more seconds for your name to get on top. Okay, so we're going to draw pictures in the boxes to show how to put the counters into 2 equal groups. And then we're going to write how many are in each group. Same Same thing as that we just did. So if we look up here, they, for the next, put that one up here. For the next, put that one down here. For the next, put that one up there. For the next, put that one down there. We have 2 equal groups. Okay, so now come down here. We're going to do the same thing, but this time with counters. So when you put one counter up here, put an X on it. The next one, put down here, put an X on it. Okay, go through. You know what to do by now. Think about if you have equal groups when you write those numbers. Write how many are in each group. You're going to have 2 equal groups. So go ahead and do this one now. We're doing the bottom one. Okay, write your numbers. Down. Okay, excellent. Don't forget to write how many you have. Get this one going. Try one more time. Okay, write your numbers. How many do you have in each group? Alright, turn to the back to show me that you're ready, and I'll wait for those who are still working. Flip to the back. Turn, flip, either way, it's by itself. Okay, number 2. Okay, number 2, you're going to put the counters into 2 equal groups again. So draw your circles in the boxes to show the groups and write how many are in each group. Go ahead and get started on number 2. Same thing we just did for number 1. Make sure you write how many in each group. Try again. Don't do it again. Okay, write how many you have in each group now. Write your total number. Okay, let's look at number 3. Rich put 6 counters into 2 groups. Are the 2 groups equal?
No.
Do those look equal?
No.
No, they are not equal. Can you make those 2 groups equal? Can you put some in the top, some in the bottom to make them equal? Go ahead, there's 6 altogether. So how many, think about how many you're gonna put in the top and how many you're gonna put in the bottom group for 6 counters. And then write how many are in each group.